Is see na rudí beaga sa saoil a chóiríonn. Dwarves, so she don't know what I'm mathematics or father. Agus mar críoch beidir dóla mé gá rud beidir. So tá gá rud an tábhacht sa saoil seo leis, gá rud. Ifar héan, ná raon gach rud atá rólas agat le gach duine. Agus is fear le jocanna atá níos gradúir ná sin. Andy Ó Faoláin, bud amach
It's Misha Andy as Bailach Clia, the Aine as Kirkig and Shaw, not over my Bailach Clia Reef, Tasha Derek and us love hate. It's fairly very hard work. Tashani as a and Shaw August Slán a Kirkig, as well in Kirkig, Ruderwan occurrence in Shocker, no, it's far more Guinness May, August like Camera Will and Land of Gahanish and Shaw. Come on, like Beamish will call it. Beamish. If you what? Like, alright, yeah. Near Yale, Vincent Van Gogh, Ein Victor, La Lina Hale, Ach, Tigisha for Yara, Genius, man. Anyway, we say simulation with Killian Agasson and it large free happen atá agan Gohan agus an slí gemúla with the Danish slot on Jovan. Agus by Sean Simul John say Dan of Fib Lean Brandon of Sheer Conus Vulamer Lenar Bortnary Rampla Saulium Dad, Cor will do man. Well, 6 years in Chinawak, August Dermelat. Fado, sa Vlean Gavilas and Cahar Dag. If you make sea air and lahers, ik brand our tin there. August, running in the Shonius, Surika Fihishay. Die koppelen in is een Victor, so Franny mij een gay Victor Elle, Victor Alling, voor Cruick Forig, ik kon daar voor jou, agus na Hilline ik een mole Feshkin Sekulre, Inish Gaul, Inish Turk, Ilan Clare, agus Colleen Fionn Alling Awan, agus Hig mij Loirach. On Shane, Naki and Karen Rower bhíon. agus mar sin de. Stocha Joig an romance boss for year. Yeah, there are capping daine no mná go háir go fear shallow. An meonatá gom ná. Má tá tone dasa Colleen is dócha go person up dasa. So, no, níl me shallow. It's just it's smiling person up das. Because Colleen will person tucht Anna Yas Lahan Egi no Nicki Minaj. Agus bíon daine garan faoi Nicki Minaj ará bhfuil na lyricí Gahanish agus bíon daine garan faoi lyricí in le neomh sa pop ceol generáta. Agus deir daine nach bhfuil na lyricí lecha má leis na protest songs a bhí an sna Quagadí, sna Shaskadí le héad Bob Dylan agus Joni Mitchell. Ach there ceapan go scríbhann Nicki Minaj protest songs. Agus chun sampla leir daobh seograibh an versa déirnach as a Hiron is Dainy Anaconda. So, yeah, he loved this fat ass. Yeah, this one is for my bitches with a fat ass in the fucking club. I said, where are my fat ass big bitches in the club? Fuck the skinny bitches. Fuck the skinny bitches in the club. I want to see all the big fat ass bitches in the motherfucking club. Fuck you if you skinny bitches. What? I got a big fat ass. Come on. Spraggle, Fiera to dinner egg and sauce, a shot of soup, a twin and a skinny bitches. I mean, feckin' to eat is chicks the club. I guess, you know, ní over wrote popular a show. Like, Tashiana Eska the Macklemore, if I kinda free Fosa Eric. Oh yeah, to move over Fosa Eric, Intuk, yeah. Cared free the fat ass bitches. Will any of you show our Twitter? Neil Endon our Twitter? Please show Ashton. Show him along the Craig Dinner, Neil Endon our Twitter. Alright, tá sé dascail se má cáanta le manis. Anyway, to me share Twitter agus is bad on Twitter, mar is bailach an bhaid bheith gearan faoi. Nuair dhéanam sin, beir daoine, it's first world problems í sin. Tá cónaí in air. So, sin iad mo cuid fáibna. Dar nóí dá mé cónaí sa tríú down, being ag tweetáil faoi mo cuid third world. Still fair nós, call mo griffór cúig sí Greann Tober sé de gcur chliga hin, #tart. The rock no, near it made a shay law news, #drought. No, Devo not fatal on Talbon knew a Rihanna Eastlodal, #Neelain infrastructure and show. Anyway, ni eating chalk Kirky, I was Alcoholian talked and show, I was gone there for Roy Keane. So good was our father and all of Roy Keane and well. Yeah. It's like a character. I was talking to show of him our father Glart Fina Lauer, I was we Codina or a chopped them off on Lauer. Direct Glum Schlucht all Ost I was Shaw on Capital Scrive Roy Keane Fina or Gerhonig Shay Gabriel. Humus shocks the spout bean and go re-raw. You know, they're no fucking core close. Dina see heart, I guess Ryan talk gone about brand new starch a few. Dina glartly killer. Ryan Dina is laird or honig sheet doesn't prawn sandwiches. Few Ryan doesn't Dina via starch it's laird not nearly sheet ain overgone. I guess grab sheet just a glaive as piece of paw pear. So Humus Sus Gideon Gaffer. Far more, grwy cathach gar morons na close again. Stort me, Neelain Vasig mar a Rani, no Aaron Fadog. Torley and Chega will do Iganis Erniha Kultur has show. Ach, is fail at the re-raw hogal, agus course sus the bollocks. Remember me for